So hello guys, welcome back to another video, and this is lecture number 7 of our React Mastery course. And in this lecture we will learn how to make components and why do we need to make components. So first of all, this is the code, and as you can see, all of this code we are done in a single file, which is index.js. And there is a lot of stuff going in our index.js file. Now it is simple and we can easily understand because there are not much line of code, but as we start to build more and more complex applications, there will be more and more lines of code and it will become complex and kind of hard to understand if we do all that stuff in one single file. So what we do, we will create an component called app and we will do all of our coding in that file. We will use index.js file for only rendering our components, like importing React and React DOM, importing the app component and creating a route and showing the app component on our screen. So this is what index.js file will mean to be, and all other stuff, all the main things of our application will be done in app.js file. So now how can we make app.js file component? Creating a component is a simple and 5-step process. First of all, we will create a new file which will be the name of the component, and one important thing to note here is that we will always start the name of our component with capital letter, as you can see here. A is capital PP, because it will be easier to identify that file is a component of React. Second step is we will make our component by calling a function, JSX function, and number third will be exporting our component, and fourth will be importing that component on other file. In this case we will import app in our index file and then we will use the component. So let us understand this by coding. Okay, so now first of all we will delete all this here, and now we will create a new file called app.js. You can also type JSX, it works the same. Now here we will type import, but there is no need of import because it is usually present in every JSX application. So we will directly call our function, then the name of the function, then we will return an h1. Name of the h1 will be hi there. And then we will export this function by using export default app. Then we will save this file, and now in the index.js file we will import the app.jsx file. Import app from app, and now if we run this code, let's see if it works. Hi there, as you can see this works. So this is how we will make components in React. First we will call the function, then return something from the function, then we will export that function or component, then we will import that function in the required file. In this case we are importing app.jsx in our index.js file, and then index.js will render app. So this is how basic components work, and now you have learned successfully to make components. Now you can do many things here, like if you want to do sum is equal to 1, And if you run this code, it is showing error because we have not tried const here. If we run this, so as you can see, this works as fine. So this is how we make component in our React and import and export them. So guys, this was all for today, and in the next lecture we will start to make a project by using these components. So from next lecture this will be interesting. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next lecture.